Now, on my 105-hour course, there are 500 exercises, something like that. On the shorter art therapy courses, there are at least 10, 15 exercises. Plus, I'm sure there's hundreds on the internet. So you could do an art therapy book, say 25 art therapy exercises for Christmas. Or perhaps you've already done these art therapy exercises on another course of mine. So just collect them up. You could work with other people on this course that you are on now, preferably from different countries, and then produce a global art therapy book. All the money to charity. Yes, it'd be nice if in the cover you said, I got all these ideas from Christopher Wright's marvellous art therapy course, here's a link. You could do that. But that's if you're giving the money to charity, and when you do good deeds, they tend to come back to you with more good deeds from others. And if you do all this, it will discipline you to work through the exercises, discipline you to be reflective, discipline you to be more organized, discipline you to show your own development. You could be paying an art therapist or a counselor hundreds and hundreds of pounds for this service. You may even look back at your artwork and think, oh yeah, that's when I was going through a particularly difficult time, and I can see how things develop from there. It's just an idea. But hopefully you're going to be doing the art therapy exercises anyway, so why not make use of them? And if they're all kept as a journal, which you then sell, publish, think how fantastic that would be, the money that you could raise for others. And if you're working with other people in this course, and you're discussing them and discussing the artwork, etc., in the question-answer section, you can, as I said, have a global or European or South American or African art therapy book. Check out the competition. These art therapy books are very expensive. And they're only really doing what you could do anyway. It's an idea. An idea worth thinking about, I hope. Thank you.